Let's draw the finite design of the tree. Okay, as usual, draw a circle, move to the center, and then add new layer and draw another circle. And move to center, add new layer, draw the circle, move to center, and now draw the last circle. And then move to center. Now march down all the layers. Now let's draw the outer leaves. Okay, divide the leaves by guessing it. You don't need to equally divide it. Okay, let's draw the middle leaves one by one like this. This is folded leaf. Okay, almost there. Let's draw the inner leaves. Okay, now sketch that, and I use monoline brush for outlining. Draw the circle, move to center, and draw another circle, move to center, and draw another circle, move to center, and then march down all the layers. Add new layers. Now draw the dividing and connect the two. Okay, do it one by one. Okay, connect the leaves. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, let's draw middle leaves. Draw the folded middle leaves like this and draw it one by one. Be aware that the leaves touch each other. Okay, it seems like they are continuously growing each other. This kind of drawing makes you think, new design, and also useful for line practice. One stone, two birds. Okay, let's draw the inner leaves. Okay, add new layer when needed and use script brush. Okay, this is inner folded leaves, this side the outer leaves. Okay, draw it one by one. I will fast forward the process. Okay. Okay, done. Draw the folded part like this. Okay, connect it to the base. Now draw the curve like this to look like it is folded. Okay, I'll fast forward a bit. Almost done. Okay, this is the full length of the leaves. I draw it too, but you can add 2 to 3 or you can add multiple full length inside the folded leaves. Okay, almost done. Let's draw in the inner leaves and draw inside the leaf like this. You can add other design as you like. Okay, I use monoline brush to fill the large gap with triangular shape. Okay, I first forward the process. Okay, let's fill the outer large space with black like this. Okay, it will make your drawing pop out. You fast forward it. Okay, almost done. Okay, let's color it. It's 80% brightness, then 40% brightness to the inner circle. Okay, now hide the sketch layer. It's done. After finishing it, I make it as a stem brush and then draw the stem of the tree and fill with it. And then make a fancy tree. Bye bye.